Hi everybody, I'm James Leichter from Aptora. I just wanted to take a few moments to show you some of the new features and capabilities in our flat rate presentation or sales presentation system in Aptora Mobile. So let's take a quick look. Right now I'm in Total Office Manager and I'm looking at the invoice item list. And this is really where it all starts. You take the time to put in a group of items, equipment, services, things like that for presentation in your book. So for example, we might have a comfort options group item, and we can see the total investment is $1261, and here are those items involved. And if I go to menu and go to images, we can see that it's easy to add images. So this is a comfort system option package. Now, the beauty of using Total Office Manager is that all of your pricing is updated automatically through normal accounting procedures. So as you buy these items and you pay different prices for them, your retail pricing updates with a click of a single button. It doesn't update automatically because you might have prices out in the field that you need to honor and don't want to change. But as the accounting system updates the inventory, equipment, and everything else, one click of a button updates your flat rate books and your sales replacement books instantly. So let's take a look at what that looks like in the field. Here I am in the browser version of Aptora Mobile. We might be using the app, so you might have a tablet about this big, and I would go with about a 9-10 inch tablet. But this is the browser version. It'll look just the same. Sizing will be slightly different. Depending on your permissions, you will have access to my flat rate book right here. Now, before I go into that book, I want to log off and log back in as the administrator because I want to show you something very important about this system. We'll go to More, and we will go to Lists, or Settings, rather. And you can see we have a lot of settings, a lot of things available in the software. Flat rate pricing settings, cart types. There we go. We have so many settings, I was thinking I didn't know where to find this. This allows you to set up as many price levels as you want when making your presentation. Now, when it comes to the service department and you're presenting a flat rate price on a repair, you probably only have one price. Or you might have two prices depending on whether or not they have a service agreement. What I'm talking about here is the good, better, best scenario. This allows you to set up as many of those scenarios as you would like. You can see here I have a value, I have a prestige, I have a supreme, I have the optimum, I have the ultimate. You can decide to have as many of these as you want. You decide what they're called. The important thing to remember is that each one of them can calculate differently. So with each one of these, you can offer a different down payment. It can be a percent, it can be a dollar amount. You can offer a different interest rate, and you can offer a different term. Once you get that set up, those are automatically put into the flat rate or sales presentation system. Let me log off, log back in as Ashley. And let's go down to my flat rate book here. And here I have a chance to view different carts. I have different carts set up. I think what I'll do is take you into the optimum cart, and we'll hit view cart. Now, before I do that, what I could do is I could search the database for parts and services and equipment and so forth, and I could add those to the cart. I have a cart already built, should have anyway. Let's click view and see what's in there. Okay, so here we have a system. The optimum investment is $10,870 or $434.80 down with a monthly investment of just $221.73 for 48 months. Now, that could be $1 down, it could be 10% down, 5% down, could be any interest rate you want. That's what happened when we set up the optimum investment that you saw earlier. So here we have plenty of room to describe what it is, the features, the benefits. We can have different images. We also can include hyperlinks to brochures, videos, anything that we want that's either on our mobile device or out on the internet, either way. When I say on the mobile device, by the way, I also mean what is inside your Total Office Manager database. And here we have a furnace. Again, different pictures available, hyperlinks if you want them. There's the coil, hyperlinks, and finally, that's the comfort option that I showed you earlier, in fact. So here it is. You can show them what they're getting, talk about the app, the humidification system, the whole house air filtration. Look, you get different screen colors, and of course, you can add hyperlinks if you wish. Now, once they have decided which system they want, and if it's not obvious, I could take them through different packages here. So I could take them to the Prestige, the Supreme, the Ultimate, the Value. Once they make a decision, we can easily add this to an estimate or an invoice or a work order. And then we can take a down payment, we can process credit cards, and go through the whole system as normal. So this gives you the ability to do a nice job of presenting both flat rate pricing opportunities and also entire comfort system replacements. And it's all coming from Total Office Manager, which makes it easy. It's all fully integrated. And this is just another reason why you would be absolutely crazy to run your company without Total Office Manager. I hope you liked what you saw. Thank you very much.